Hi there, how are you today? I thought we would have a look at Daughter by Pearl Jam for some alternate tuning fun. So we're going to start off with talking about the tuning. I have my little tuner here on top of my guitar. The low E string, 6th string, becomes a G. The string formerly known as the A string, the 5th string, is also a G. The next string is a D. And then we've got a G, and then a B, and then the high string is down to D. So up to G, down to G, down to D. Hey presto. So I'm now playing a G major chord. 1, 3, 5, G, B, and D. All right, so it starts off with a little bit before the 1, effectively. So you get E and A. So that's E and A. So it's after the 4, right? So we've got 4, E and A. And then we're going to play 1 and A. So we've got E and A, 1 and A. Pretty easy so far, right? So then we're going to put our first finger on the 5th fret of the 5th string, and either your little finger or your 3rd finger on the 7th fret, and you're going to get it sounds like that. Okay? So we've got E and A, 1 and A. Now, that is a grace note or an incidental, so you're just going to hit it and slide immediately. Now, you don't only have to hit those strings. In fact, if you hit more than just those strings, whoops, it's actually better, all right? So we've got E and A, 1 and A, 2. All right, so we're up to 2 of the first bar of the song. E and A, 1 and A, 2 and. So you split up, and then we go back down to 5 and 7. So we've got E and A, 1 and A, 2 and. All right, then we're going to miss the 3, an aeroplane. So far we've got E and A, 1 and A, 2 and then we're going to go on the 3 and we're going to come back up to 7 and 9 and hit it down. By the way, when we're going on the beat and on the off beat, on the and, we're going to go down. When we're going on the E and the we're going to go up. If you don't really know what I'm talking about, the smallest note in our strumming pattern is effectively a 16th of a bar, all right, or a semiquaver, all right. So if we've got 1 E and A, that's how you vocalize the 16 parts of the bar, right? So imagine if we just played on the 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if we had 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then if you put the bits in between, that's where you get 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Make sense? Cool. All right, so we've got from the beginning what we've had so far is E and a 1 and a 2 and 3 and then we're just going to fill up the rest of the bar. So with up, down, up, E and A. That is bar 1. Bar 2 is almost exactly the same. We go down, down, up, slide, back down. Now this time, instead of returning to 7 and 9, we're just going to play open, okay? So we've got, yeah. So that again is. Now I know this and this pretty similar. So this sound, particularly this note, which is a B, you know, they could both go up both times, but I've gone for that they're going up the first time and then open the second time. I don't know exactly what it is. I wasn't there in 1997 or whatever, but they both sound pretty good. So up, down, up from the beginning of the song. Okay, bar 3 is exactly the same as bar 2. Okay, then the final bar, I've actually put it in all semiquavers, but there's some definite accents in this 4th bar. We're going to have 5 and 7 again. It's going to go 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. Okay, so we've got 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So. And then you start kind of round at the front again. So that 4-bar round is effectively what happens in the verse. The whole thing, we've got E and a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and 3. Make sense? I'm glad that it does. Excellent. There's only really one other part in the song, and that's the bridge. It sometimes goes twice as long as this, so watch out for that. But effectively, you get you play that verse exactly like I just played it, and then you get exactly like the 2nd and 3rd bars of our big riff. And then you're going to put your first finger flat at 9. They're both E's. And then we've got a D. That makes it an E minor 7. So we've got 1 and a 2 E and so far. And then we've got 3 E, and then we're going to play an E minor 6. So it's going to go. You could do a bit of a hammer on there, it sounds pretty cool. So we've got 1 and a 2 E and 3 E and, yeah? So 1 and a 2 E and 3 E and 1 and a 2 E and 3 E and, okay? And then just fill the rest of that bar, 4 and a. So. Okay, and then it loops around. So that is how Daughter by Pearl Jam goes. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please do subscribe. I would really love that. And there's 2 new lessons every week, so hit the bell and you will be notified when they turn up. If you are able to support the channel, plans start at Patreon for only $3 a month. And for that, you get all the lessons as soon as I've done them. And my eternal gratitude, of course, for helping me continue to make these videos. and there are also higher plans where you get exclusive videos, access to a whole bunch of charts. So please do just check that out. That would be terrific. It's www.patreon.com/Simon Morell. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. See you later. Bye for now.